Argentina's first Pucaras were built in the mid-1970s. Manufactured by Fábrica Militar de Aviones, the IA-58 Pucara was designed for ground attack and counterinsurgency purposes, with a focus on arming aircraft, bigger and better cannons, among other things. A total of 110 Pucaras were built between 1974 and 1993. With the emergence of more advanced technologies and the evolution of military requirements, the Pucara began to show signs of obsolescence, especially in its engines and avionics. To deal with these challenges, Argentina is undertaking a project to upgrade Pucaras to become an intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance platform, or ISR, the Pucará Fénix project. This upgrade and conversion will also help the IA-58 aircraft continue to operate in the Argentine military for another 15 to 20 years. According to statistics from Fly International magazine, Argentina's arsenal currently has 25 IA-58 Pucará aircraft. The IA-58 Pucara's engine replacement program, now known as the Pucará Fénix, is now intended for ISR missions. This shift towards modern surveillance functions contrasts with the attack role of the rest of the Pucara's fleet. The project includes a complete modernization of the cockpit and avionics systems, the addition of air conditioning systems, and the removal of obsolete components. The Pucará Fénix thus becomes the platform for the progressive development of the ISR pod with enhancements such as EASA active antenna radars and EO and IR sensors envisioned in future configurations. By pivoting towards ISR capabilities, Argentina is adapting its military equipment to the current demands of defense and surveillance operations. Constructed entirely of metal, the IA-58 is designed to operate in light guerrilla conditions with an armored cockpit and windshield and landing gear suited for unprepared runways. It is notable for its ability to take off in just 80 meters using gyro rockets and is designed for simpler maintenance. This two-seater is equipped with Martin Baker Mark 6 AP6A00 ejector seats. The aircraft is fitted with a semi-monocoque fuselage, T-tail, and sloping nose. It can carry maximum internal fuel of 1,280 liters. The IA-58 boasts a pressurized cockpit enclosed by a single-piece clamshell canopy that opens upwards. It can accommodate two flight crew members in tandem seat configuration with dual flight controls. The IA-58 is armed with two 20mm Hispano MS-804 cannons and four 7.62mm FN M230 machine guns. The aircraft comprises three hardpoints, two under wing and one under the centralized fuselage. It can carry up to 1,500 kilograms of payload. Other armaments attached include 7.62mm and 12.7mm gun ports, two conventional unguided drop bombs, two 70mm rocket ports, one mine dispenser, and one anti-ship torpedo. The IA-58 is powered by two Turbomeca S2J turboprop engines rated at 729 kW of output power each. The Pucará can climb at a rate of 80 meters per second. The maximum and cruise speeds of the aircraft are 500 and 480 km per hour, respectively. The range and service ceiling of the aircraft are 3,710 km and 10,000 meters, respectively. The serial version IA-58A or Pucará Alpha first flew on November 8, 1974 and was delivered in 1975 to the 3rd Air Brigade, with 108 units built until 1986. The IA-58 Pucaras were deployed by Argentina during the Falklands War, where, despite their numbers, they were unsuited against an adversary like the British, suffering heavy losses mainly on the ground. They did, however, manage to shoot down a Westland scout. After the conflict, 11 aircraft were captured by the British, including 4 in flying condition, and 6 are now displayed in museums. Currently, in response to new challenges, the Pucará Fénix project was launched, aiming to modernize the aircraft through remotorization with Pratt & Whitney PT6A62 turboprop engines and the update of avionics systems and propellers. The Pucará Fénix is now envisioned as an evolutionary platform, thus making its transition to a more sophisticated and strategic role in the Argentine military.